there you guys. Today I have a special video. I've decided to review something that I recently purchased. I've been wanting this ever since we did our first vlog, the Florida vlog, on my Vincent Plays channel. And today we're going to be reviewing the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless lavalier microphone combo. So in this video I'm going to be just showing you the specs and doing a sound quality. So here we have a card that says we're here for you. Okay, packaging list card comes one charging case, one lightning receiver, one USB-C receiver, two transmitters, two magnets, one USB-A to USB-C cable, two furry windshields, one carrying bag. Yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. All right, packaging is just super clean. Here's the case. Oh, here's the case. I like the case. This is the one with the charging cable. I'll put a link in the description, so you guys could purchase this. Also, I bought this on Amazon. Got it for $60. It was on sale, but I believe it is normally around, I think it's $69.99. I don't know. So we're trying to open this. There we go. Okay, we're gonna take the case out. This, yeah, like I said, this is $60. So budget mic. I didn't have enough money to get one of the DJI mics or anything. Wow. Looking super clean. Really freaking clean. Two mics. Wow. They snap on with this magnet clip. So I believe you could wear it like this. Yep, and it's actually pretty strong through the hoodie. I wouldn't recommend wearing it, but it is quite strong. Now, oh boy, I lost the magnet. Oh, okay, it's down here. Okay, let's see the strength on the thing. On a shirt, let's see. Strength's actually pretty good. Let's see here. Where did the magnet go? All right, it goes in like that. There's the case, and then we have a few more things in here, I believe. Yep, alrighty. Here's the case that you can put this and all of its accessories in. I like it, very compact. Silica gel. Okay. What's this? This is one furry windshield. That's what it's called. So we have two of those and the cable. That's what's in these and that. Now, this case is a charging case, so we're gonna have to peel. We're gonna have to peel this off. I believe there's an app that you could download to get more advanced controls. I don't really know though, so I'm trying to peel off all this. I will see you guys when I'm done peeling all this off. Hey then, you guys, I have the mic turned on right now. I don't know how the quality sounds. I don't even know if this thing is on. I was trying to read the instructions. I think it is. We'll listen back. Yeah, this is an audio test. So yeah. Okay, this is indeed paired. So there is different modes. Let's see here. Let's look on the instructions. There's like mute, noise cancellation. So let's see here. Let's try to enable noise cancellation. It's green. I think this is working. Lark, come on, come say hi to the viewers. Come say hi to the viewers. Come say hi to the viewers, honey. This is my dog, Kaya. Look at the camera, baby. Look at the camera. Say hi to the viewers, honey. What's that? Is that a fly? Are you scared of flies? There's a helicopter. Well, with this helicopter, maybe the noise cancellation is working good. So, I think I'm gonna put on the windscreen next. So, alrighty. Let's see, we have the windscreen on. Honestly, it's looking like I gave my mic a wig. I don't know how the quality sounds with this. Tell me what you guys think in the comment down below. And this is the carrying case. We have the USB-A to USB-C cable. Another windscreen for the second mic. That's the carrying case. This is a charging case, by the way. Goes right in here. I think the other way. Let's see. Let's see here. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to put this in the case. Everything closes up like this. Into this nice little bag. It could fit easily into my hoodie pocket. And, well, it could fit right into my normal pocket. A little bulky. But, I mean, I don't know. Alright, so let's read off the features. So, let's see here. It has 24-bit audio, 3-level intelligent noise cancellation, EQ and reverb adjustment, auto limit clip protection, 27-hour-long duration. That's pretty crazy, you guys. And if it ever dies, you have the charging case. Magnetic compact design. It can reach 656 feet, which is crazy. And a 6-level gain adjustment. Let's test that. Let's see if it can reach 656 feet. You guys, let's move all this out of the way. Oh crap, I dropped 2 things. Let's play with my dog Kai for his test. Here, come on, honey, come on. Alrighty then, you guys. Sorry, I ran out of storage. We're gonna do some action tests, okay? Let's see here. I don't know how far the distance is, guys, but it's probably about 15, 20 feet. Let's see what this could withstand. Oh boy. Gotta stretch. Gotta stretch first. Alrighty. Let's. That was hard to do. My legs. My legs. And the mic is still on, still good, still high quality, obviously. Let's see here. Could it withstand me falling? Because literally every single time I'm with one of my friends, I'm always falling. Let's see here. Ready? It can. Let's shake my shirt. It can withstand that too, guys. It can withstand that too. Overall, I think this is an amazing vlogging kit. Or not necessarily vlogging kit, but microphone kit. I'll put a link in the description. And I have a couple final things to say. Okay. Well, come here. First of all, okay, I really like the packaging. It's really high quality. This is the Lightning and USB-C RX version with the charging case. The mic, it's small, it's compact. I like the magnetic clip. It's strong also. 27 hours of runtime is pretty good for something this small. Plus, you always have the charging case, which is really neat. All right. Also, another thing that I like, these windshields. Super high quality. The little fuzzy things, they aren't coming off. And it is a little bit windy right now. There's a slight breeze, and I hope this is doing good. Also, another thing, the freaking noise cancellation is amazing. I love the noise cancellation. Sorry guys, I'm petting my dog. Like I said, the noise cancellation is amazing. And 656 feet distance is amazing. Now, overall, so far, I haven't really gotten a chance to, well, use this that much. But I do love this mic. It's very clear. I love the case. It could fit into your pocket. Overall, right now, I'm going to give this mic a 9.5 out of 10. I recommend this to all my fellow content creators who do vlogs. There's been many times, well, in my other 2 vlogs that are currently posted, there was times where you couldn't hear another person over the music. That's my fault. I actually edited it way too loud. But with these mics, you won't have a problem hearing the person, and that was a big problem that is finally solved for me. So that helps. I will put some examples after this because I know there's some in the Florida vlog and in the Wyoming vlog. Like I said, overall, I have to give this a 9.5 out of 10. Super compact, super easy, feels heavy duty, high quality. I love this mic. The range is amazing. So I hope you guys notice the quality difference. I will be linking this in the description. So check the description out. I really recommend this to you guys. There's a $40 version also. I don't know. But I recommend getting this one because I think this is the best bang for your buck. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.